Maytronics is a global leader in robotic pool cleaners, specializing in innovative technologies for pool maintenance. My name is Shai Peretz. I'm the General Manager of Water Technology Business Unit at Maytronics. Commit stepped in, taking full responsibility on the cloud infrastructure, architecture and delivery, the entire software platforms, the portal, the software applications for a large number of field technicians and pool owners. The main benefits for us are the feeling that we have a real partner that we can trust over the years. Their flexible R&D methodology, it means the ability to adopt a number of resources and most relevant skill set per sprint. The smart pool maintenance solution is going to be a strategic growth engine for us. It is very important for us to provide our customers with exceptional experience. We keep choosing Commit as our partners over the years.